Please click on subscribe button and click on bell icon for more interesting updates on civil engineering concepts.
In this video lecture, I will explain you complete walkthrough in REVIT architectural software for east facing 2 BHK building house plan. So this is the building plan which is consisting of the guest room, and this is the kitchen, this is the hall, this is the dining room, this is the bedroom 1, bedroom 2. So this is the east facing direction. So this is the 3D model for this building structural model. Okay. So if you are not yet subscribed to my channel, please click on subscribe button and click on bell icon for more interesting updates on civil engineering topics. So let's start our video. So this is some basic components which is related to this building model. So if you having any other building structural model, you can apply the same procedure for walkthrough. Okay, basically walkthrough is nothing but the video representation of the project. So after completing your project, whether it is your 2D drawing or 3D drawing or architectural view, you have to explain them in the video representation format. So that is the important in the interior design section. So we will cover the video representation in this video. So initially we need to select the ground level option here. Okay, before going to the walkthrough, initially we need to select the ground level. Firstly, we will start from the walkthrough section. For that, we have to select this 3D view option. So it will be consisting of the 3 options which is related to 3D view option, camera option, walkthrough option. So if you want to see the drawing in the 3D view, you have to select this option. If you want to see the particular view from the particular location, you have to use this camera. Otherwise, if you want to do the video representation, you have to start with the walkthrough section here. So after this, we have to enter the height of the offset. So as per my consideration, just I am taking height of the offset which is consisting of 2 feet 0 inches here. Okay. So here I am starting the point from this location. Let us consider. Just I am starting here like this. This is the front view. Just I am going here. Again I am going here. Again I am coming to some plan sections here. Again in the same process I am coming back to this main door section. Okay. So through the main door section I am entering into the hall section. So this is the hall section view which is related to this house model. So again I am selecting this hall section. So this is the hall section for this. So this is a TV unit, just I am seeing here. Again I am coming to this particular direction. So this is a room. So again I am going to the kitchen portion here. So here I am selecting my kitchen portion. Again I am coming to the kitchen, and again I am getting back to the dining section here. So this is the dining section. Again I am coming to this. Again I am coming to this. Again I am going to this. Again in the same process we will go to the bedroom 1 section. So here I am walking into the house like this. Again in the same process I am getting back to the outside section. So this is the outside section. Again I am coming to this location. Again I am coming to this location. Again I am going to the outside of the building structural model here like this. So again I am coming to this outside section like this. Okay, so this is the point of walking. So after this we have to click on this finish walkthrough option. So after this it will ask you to select the view from this particular location. So for that we have to select the edit walkthrough option here. Okay, so it will be consisting of your frames from 300 here like this, 300 to 300. Firstly we will start from the frame number 1 itself. From the 1 to 300 we have to end. So here I am selecting number 1. Okay, so then after that we have to click on this. So we have to select the open walkthrough option here. Okay, so that the complete view will be open here like this. So you can select, you can adjust the direction and dimensions, how much amount of the view it is required for you for this particular project. So here I am selecting this is my view. It is enough for me for the building structural model like this. Okay, then after that we have to click on the play option here. Okay, so before that we have to set this particular location section. So then after that we have to select the realistic model option here. Okay, now we can see this is a realistic model for this project. Now we have to play this option. So click on the play option, so that the video representation will be loaded here for the particular project. Now we can see here it is the video representation of the particular project here like this. Now we can see it is going to the back to this section. These are the staircases, and this is some garden area which is located in the house like this section. So now again I am coming to the car location section. Again I am going to into the house through the main door. So now we can see this is the main door. So this is the guest room which is located here, and again this is the some of the interior which is located in the house, and this is the hall section. Again in the same process it will be consisting of some more internal sections here like this for the house. So it will be consisting of some room here like this, and this is the kitchen portion for the particular location. Again I am coming back to this house. Again I am going to the bedroom section for the particular location. So this is the master bedroom location section. It will be consisting of some interior here like this. So this is the basic interior view for the building structural model. Again I am going to the secondary bedroom section. Again it will be consisting of some basic interior inside this house. Again after this I will go back to the outside for the building structural model. So now we can see here I am coming here. Again I am going to the outside section for the building structural model. This is my outside section. So now again I have through the secondary door section which is located in the hall. I am getting back to the house section here like this. So this is the starting point of the rendering view. Okay. Now our next task is to save this video in MP3 format. For that, go to your REVIT architecture software R here. Click on export option. It will be consisting of images and animations here like this. It will be consisting of walkthrough here like this. Okay, you can select the walkthrough. So here you can select the all frames and some frame per second section. So if you increase the frame per second, then it will having the less amount of the total time. If you decrease this value, then it will be take more amount of the time for this particular location. So here I am selecting OK option as per the default section. But if you need the complete clarity, you have to select this dimensions and realistic view, hidden view like this. So directly I am selecting OK option here. So it will ask you to select your folder. Just I am selecting project 123 walkthrough 2. Click on save option so that it will save the model in the video representation format. So it will take some time for loading the complete project according to your consideration system. So here you can see it was done with all the exporting process for the video. So now I will show you the video. So you can select this video on the desktop. So now I will play that video. You can see the complete walkthrough for the particular project. So here you can see, here I was selected the options which is related to 2D wireframe only. Because of that reason, it is showing in the black and white color, but in real-time projects, it will show you in color mark only. So this is the complete video representation process by using REVIT architectural software. If you have any queries about this video, please try to text me your questions in the below comment box so that I will give you the answer for that questions. And if you are not yet subscribed to my channel, please click on subscribe button and click on bell icon for more interesting updates. Okay. So you have to click on the realistic view for the color views. So here I was saved according to my black and white photograph. Thank you.